Welcome back to another episode of The Garage Life. Thank you very much for all those who've subscribed so far. I can't say that word, subscribed so far. And also followed us on our Instagram page. It's been really good response from all the videos that we've done. Today we're going to be working on the Mk2 Golf. If you haven't watched our last video, do watch it. It'll give you an idea of what's going on with it. But basically we just checked it over for rust and for major damage and all those kind of things. Shane's car is currently just sitting at the back of the garage. The lube.
Very important for taking apart a rusty Golf.
So yeah, we're using plenty of that. We changed cars at the back of the garage and we're waiting for engines and gearboxes to come back basically. So we can't do too much on that at the moment, so we're gonna hack away at the Golf. So yeah, that's it for now. Let's gonna get the, actually have a look at the car and figure out what we have to do next. New bits and bobs.
What's in the box, Marty?
Like.
Cool.
Ooh.
H&R.
H&R. I don't know what that is.
That's an exhaust hanger, okay.
Maybe it's for...
We actually need an exhaust hanger, remember the Jubilee clip, yeah.
Oh, there's more exhaust hangers, maybe.
You keep dropping stuff, Marty. Are we doing it all today, Marty, yeah?
Huh?
We're doing it all today?
Well, we'll put it this way. We plan to do it all today.
So,
chances are that won't happen because we'll come across a problem and then have to wait.
Like, look at the difficulty you're having just opening a bag off a shock bike.
Oh, rusty. There's something there wrong. Take off these lock nuts.
Oh no. Do you have the lock nut key?
No. Do you have lock nut key?
Nope. Okay.
Guntering time.
This is my favourite part of working on cars. Guntering.
Kiss the good life, good. Kiss the good life. Kiss the good life, good. Kiss the good life.
So Shane's going to continue getting the rest of them off. I'm going to stand here holding the camera, but you'll catch up again when we're finished. So there's this little nugget here we have to take off. And it's already rusted to bits.
I'm gonna presume that everything just pops off. Let's try it. Oh, it's literally just
It's a rubber seal.
I used all the goodies for that.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. They're the goodies.
Goodies.
Now what's with this?
That's another WD time.
Oh my god. It has fungus on it. So, top mounts are off the front and also the back. And now it's time to get this yoke in the air with this bogey lift again. Shows how little we know about Volkswagens. We're like, oh, the studs are coming out, but if you look at that, that's just the way it is. We're pretty stupid. You can't fix stupid. Last bolt down the bottom.
Out.
Comes said shock.
Oh. Let that drop down enough.
You think?
Yeah. Because look.
Dirt.
Bird's nest in there. See what I mean? That needs to.
But sure, that shock wasn't taking it to let that one down.
Isn't it?
If anyone has an idea how to do this, let us know. Mind you, by the time you watch this video, it'll probably be done. We'll have this problem with a Jap car, huh?
I hate Golfs.
So we found our problem why this won't go down further. It's because with the what's this thing called? The lift. This lift is stopping it, so once we get that, it'll be done in no time.
Yeah, because nothing else is gonna go wrong.
No. Right, so we readjusted the lift and all that kind of shit.
And
One rusty ass shock.
sports.
Spax though.
What is that?
Spax Sport. So yeah, we have the brand new shampoo. H&R's to go in. It's Tuesday and you can see it's absolutely freezing. We got the backs done on Sunday. Well, the backs we only had one to do, but it was a pain in the arse. Obviously, as you have seen. So tonight we are to get the fronts finished because we have to. We're doing this for you, whoever you are, you kids watching. So yeah, cracking on with the front because I've no battery. There's no fucking battery. This is a really shit day. The battery on this camera is about to die, the nut gun battery is dead, and the bolts are rusty as hell.
Yeah.
And I just recorded this all before and I didn't have the mic turned on, so now I turned it off altogether.
Oh my god, these are gonna break as well.
And these are definitely going to
Yeah,
snap.
I'm gonna snap in half. But other than that,
Welcome to the garage life. This is exactly what the kind of rubbish that you have to go through daily when you're trying to work on your car. So, both nuts and bolts are out now. And the
oh my god, that was way too easy. Let's see how
So we'll do a comparison of old versus new. And this battery thing's still flashing at me, the bastard. So once again, we've been defeated by Volkswagen.
It is a random setup, look.
So, focus. So you have to put like this, whatever, pliers to hold that.
And then
Hopefully this doesn't shoot us in the face. Oh,
in that-
and then now you're like
you're
crimping
tangling up your microphone.
Thanks, work.
No problem. So look at that. That is just the randomest
Thing.
way of holding the shock down I've ever seen in my life. Good old Volkswagens.
Good old Volkswagen.
And if you listen really carefully, sounds just like a Golf. Yeah. What sort of setup is that like?
Zoomed in. After some googling, we figured that you do need a special tool, so Shane has made a special tool.
Out of a 16mm socket angle grinder. Look at that.
So didn't take too long to find it this time.
Right, let's make spring clamps. You think we'd have spring clamps in the garage, wouldn't you?
No.
Kiss the good life, good. Kiss the good life. Kiss the good life, good. Kiss the good life.
Right, Shane's putting the car back together. I'm going to sign this off because it's so cold. So, thanks again for watching. In the next episode, we're going to look at the brakes on the front and the back. One of them sees, things like that. We're still waiting for parts to come back for Shane's car, so until they come back, we're going to keep messing with this yoke. Yeah. Now the fuse has gone for the lift. This like sums up our night perfectly. Whatever can go wrong will go wrong. And we're so close to finding out how close it is to the ground. Won't know till next time.
Hey, stay tuned.